3 over 2t and things like that. So you should always move the signal first, then reflect, and then scale. Okay, make sure that these things are clear to you, and also you can do these things in MATLAB. Okay, always move, reflect, and scale your signal. This +1, -1 will move. If there's a minus with this t over here or minus outside, it will reflect. And this 3 over 2, it will scale your signal. Okay, so you can get questions like this. Then you can get questions like this one. Maybe this was in your quiz as well, I don't know. X of n is exponential j 2 pi n over 3. 2 pi over 3n plus exponential j 3 pi over 4n. You calculate n naught for this one, you calculate n naught for this one, and then you combine them together. Notice that these are there for this type of questions. You'll have the discrete time, like with the n, and you'll have the continuous time as well. Okay, then you can be asked to calculate power and energy, x1 of t exponential minus 2 t ut. So using this equation, you should know how to calculate the energy. And then power as well. Okay. Then you should be able to calculate the fundamental period. 2 cosine 10t plus 1 minus sine 4t minus 1. This is a continuous time signal. Now, whatever this number is, this is omega naught. So t naught is 2 pi divided by omega naught. You'll calculate t naught for this one, you'll calculate t naught for this one, and then you will combine them together using the LCM. Okay, again, this is the discrete signal. Remember, if it is a constant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is always 1. You take this one and this one, calculate n naught for this one, and then combine them together. Okay. In tutorial 1-2, I'm basically explaining the properties, basic system properties, that what everything means. But to be able to solve, you should look at tutorial 1-3. Okay. Understand from 1-2, and the solution, do it like 1-3. Here we have two questions. Y of t is equal to x of t plus 1. Y of n is equal to n into x of n. So now over here, you have to say whether the system is memoryless or not, and try to write the answer like this one, causal or not. And it is very important that you explain your results. Linear, you take x1, you look at the output. You take x2, you could look at the output. You take x3, you could look at the output. And then you calculate y3. If y3 is equal to a y1 of t plus b y2 of t, the system is linear, otherwise it is not linear. Similarly, time invariance, and similarly, you study for stability. Then there's another problem, you try to solve it as well. So this was chapter 1, you'll get 3 questions from it. From chapter 2, I said the main is the stable method. Okay, you will get a signal, you'll get 2 signals. You should be able to put them in the table, and you should be able to do their convolution. The question will come like the question in your lab. Which lab was it? Lab 5? Yes. So I will ask you to do the question like this one, that y of n convolve with x of n, y of n is equal to x of n convolve with h of n. X of n will be a signal like this one, h of n will be like this one. So you should be able to do both. You should be able to do it in MATLAB, and you should be able to do it using the table method. you should know how to draw such a signal and such a signal, and then you should be able to do it in code, and you should be able to do it in the table method. Now, for the labs, you will have basically lab 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, labs 3, 4, 5, and 6 are coming. 1 and 2, they are very basic things over there. You should know them, but I'll not give a direct question on that. We'll do it more like 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you'll get a question on MATLAB as well from these labs. Okay, that is what is coming in the exam. Now, if anybody does not understand any part, please ask me and I can answer your questions. Any part that is not clear?
عيال في أحد عنده سؤال بخصوص المد؟ في عنده شيء مو واضح؟
Everything's clear, Doctor.
Okay. Now we go to the... Salim, did you install?
Yes, but not finished.
Okay. Okay. What is the... Okay, it's Asr time. I'm still here. If somebody has questions, let's take a small break and come back at 4. Okay, we'll come back at 4, and at 4 we will have the quiz. Okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay, Doctor. Doctor.
Okay. Yes.
Can you open can a new group there in Zoom? Because I want to talk with you about something. And can you get Jamal with us?
Jamal told me his problem.
He want to tell you something more.
Okay, he can tell me at the end when we finish the quiz.
Okay.
He can tell me at the end.
Thank you.
No problem. I talked to him on Sunday in the class.
That's good.
Yes. Anybody else? Any other question? Any other problem? Okay, you will receive the quiz before 4. Okay. Once you receive it, you start doing it. You will also receive the link. You do it and upload on the link. Please don't copy from each other and try to understand what's going on. Okay?
Cool.
Yes, Mazen?
No, I say of course.
Okay. Okay, boys, if somebody has questions, I'm still here. Otherwise, you have a break till 4. We will use a new session. Okay? We'll come back and join in the same session. And you will get an email for the quiz. I will stop the session if nobody has any other question.
Doctor, come to the same session or you will do a new session?
I will end this one, but it's the same link.
Okay, okay.
Because I want to save these videos and I want to post them.
Okay.
So I cannot save the videos until and unless I end the session.
Okay,
so
okay.
End the session, but at 4 you come back over here. We do the quiz. We solve the quiz after that, and then you can we can discuss some more problems for the mid if you want, or we can continue with the chapter. Okay. Okay, boys. See you at 4. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Doctor.